babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a mama and them because we litty over here. Without further ado, y'all, I purchased this from the good old AliExpress, and I'm actually surprised it came because it just kept on like pending, waiting for seller, and I was just like, you know what? I ain't got time for this. I ain't got time for it. But y'all, is it just me or do you get a rush when you get packages? When it's like, deliver packages on the front porch. Like y'all, I get adrenaline rush. What they call them? I think it's your dopamines, which gives you that euphoric feeling when you're happy or overexcited. Y'all, I be thirsty, whether it's from the Gate, Express, Amazon, Fashion Nova. Y'all, I just be like, yay! Oh, I love bubble wrap. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Ooh, this is huge. This is bigger than I thought it was going to be. And I want to say this is in the large size. And I decided to pick this color because I'm just like, I don't have too many different colors other than the usual black, brown, nude color, you know, the regular colors. You know, I'm trying to throw some pops of colors and stuff like that into my little purse wardrobe. But y'all, I had to get this. Okay, cardboard. I thought it was so cute. It's the Chanel, and it's like in this rose gold. Oh my goodness, it's a crease. But it's in this rose gold color. It's in a big size. I don't even have a big size like this. Y'all, are y'all seeing this? Can you see it? And it's like in kind of like a, it ain't caviar, it's like a jelly, kind of like a jelly type material. Like it's not leather, it's not caviar, but it's giving me very much plasticky, you know, like turntable. But I'm not complaining though, because I like the color and I like the size. And this is like a double flap. So it has the Chanel right there. This is in the rose gold color. The inside is the maroon red. It comes with the bubble filler, which I'm loving that. I could very, very much appreciate that. It has a pocket in the inside. Y'all, me and my nails. Very decent size. Y'all, this is cute. Is this a pocket in here too? I don't wanna. Oh yeah, this is a pocket in here too. Even though the bag is what is this, rose gold, the material and the hardware is gold. So it has that pocket in there. And right here it says Chanel Paris. No, this is cute. This is cute. And I like it because got the Chanel right there. That is rose gold. So let's try to get this plastic off of here. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this purse is huge. But I want to have, you know, ouch. I want to have like some small Chanel purses and then some big, because I'm a big body Benz. And sometimes you just want to have something on your arm. Hold on, because I don't want to break the purse. Y'all know me, I'm good for, hold on now. I think it would have been easier if I didn't have long nails. Yeah, This is tragic. 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 You're probably like, come on already. Because I want to make sure that, you know, the chain going through is easy breezy. Because it seems like it's stuck. Because I don't want to have to be asking for a refund. So that's why it's always good to, when you order from, you know, the Gate or Express, make sure you're checking out what your pieces look like. Make sure it's functional. Because once you press accept, it's like going through hell and high water just trying to, you know, get a refund if you press accept. Because they're like, well, you said you liked it. You pressed accept and all that other stuff. So I want to make sure everything is working condition. Working condition. And now it's stuck. Okay. I can take this off of here. And I like that it came with a dust bag. And it got this back pocket. So cute. Looks cute. Okay. That's one thing. Them Chanel, the Chanel straps, they be stiff. I don't know if it's because this is, you know, what it is, but I don't know if the real ones are stiff. But, ooh. Y'all get my drift. I'm not about to fight with this purse. Oh. Look at me about to break stuff. I'm sorry I'm taking forever. I'm just trying to see what's going on. Okay. Okay, you just gotta shake it. So yeah, y'all, this is right here. I'm trying to turn the turn lock. What are you about to do with that? So here we go. That little crease, I'm gonna, you know, let that bend back. Probably put like a purse insert in here. Side. This is a huge purse. Alright, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See you later.